spend the day with us. So today is a good day. My husband is now cleaning out my car because your girl's getting a new car. So I'm super excited. And right now I have to empty out the contents of my breast milk. Hold on. So I've had my Nissan for like 8 years, almost going on 9. Next month would have made it 9 whole years since I've had my Nissan Altima. And with Nissans, I feel like it would have lasted a good while, but the paint was chipped. There's so many dents. I just feel like I had such a standard Nissan with things that I did not, well, I don't want to say things I didn't want, but things I would like to have, they're not in it. I have a standard Nissan. And then I park outside in the sun, and living in Florida, that sun is harsh. So all the paint chipped out. Like, I'm gonna go outside and show you guys once I empty out my pump to show you guys exactly what I mean. Where's my phone? So I'll go outside to show you guys exactly how my car looked, but it's gotten me from point A to B. And the car that I'm getting, which you guys will see, I wanted something upgraded. And car payments is not the same how it used to be 8 years ago, but if you want something nice, you know you're gonna pay a lot of money each month for it. And I feel like I'm okay for that to happen because I don't want to get another car and then later I'm like, damn, I wish I would have got this, damn, I wish I would have got that. I wanted to get a car that was loaded with things that I actually liked. Not needed, because a lot of the things I didn't need, but I would like in the car because I want this car to last a long time. Like this, like my Nissan did. So I'm using this pump, which I have to be extremely careful because when taking this out, for some reason, it spills. And I got this pump from Amazon, and honestly, this pump collects a lot more milk than my Mom Cozy did, my almost $300 pump. So if you guys are looking to get a pump, just do your research. You may be able to find a pump that's $40 that does more than what an expensive pump would do. And this is about a little over 4 ounces that I pumped, which is great. She already ate though. And then this side produces a lot more. So you're always gonna have a side that produces a lot more milk. So it happens to be my left side. But let me go ahead, and I have to put her down and empty this one out because this one. All right, so this is how much milk that I got. So I got 5 ounces. This is about 2.5 ounces, and then this one's about 4.5 ounces. I don't know, you know what? I never even realized how much milk this pump carries because my Mom Cozy, I believe, is only 6 ounces. This one goes up to, I have to figure that out. I'm not sure, 180 milliliters. I'm not sure how much that is in ounces, but this holds a lot. So I'm pretty sure it really emptied me out. But each time I'm emptying the milk out, I always get milk on me. It never fails. Never ever fails. So my phone's dying. My battery's dying, but I'm actually getting my place ready really quick. I had to put my daughter down in her swing, which she'll probably start crying in a little bit. All right, so yeah, as I was saying before my battery died. Go ahead, girl. I am fixing the place up really quick. One of my girlfriends is coming over to meet my daughter. My daughter's gonna be 3 months on Tuesday, and we're just now comfortable with letting people meet her in the last couple of weeks. So that's what I'm doing, is just fixing up the place. I was supposed to meet her out, but with my car being shipped down around the time that we're supposed to go, she was like, hey, I could just, you know, come over and come see you. But this is where I sleep when it's my shift with her. Hey girl. So yeah, I sleep on the couch when it's my shift. Tonight is my husband's shift. I'm gonna go upstairs and sleep, which is wonderful because I gotta get up early and take her to my mom's. My mom owns a daycare, which is, listen, I'm saving a lot of money. But yeah, it can get so messy here in the living room. So that's what I'm doing, is just trying to clean up. Hopefully my daughter takes her nap, but we all know how that goes. I will get back on camera once I'm done tidying up. I just took my boo a little bath. Look how cute she is with her little bust down part in the middle, period. So let's go see the car. Let's go see what we or we won't be having anymore. It's so crazy, so surreal. I would consider this more of like my big girl purchase because the Nissan was co-signed by my mom, so that's not something. I mean, of course my mom, my dad will look out for me, but with this purchase, this was all me, all me. All right, so brace yourself. This is the Nissan. You okay, boo? I know it's windy. And then this is, alright, so this is the Nissan. Let me show you my tag. The tents. Look at the top of the roof. Crazy. Oh, sorry, but my hair's in your bed. Yep. And then look at this. Yep. Oops, sorry, boo. A little ashy. There's a few stuff I still have to get out that my husband probably didn't take out. Yep. Look. That's crazy. And he didn't even take that out, like as if I didn't need it. There's still stuff in there. Whew. I don't think she likes the wind. But this is the Nissan. He didn't even take the most important thing out of here, which is my Eagles. That's crazy. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to take the rest of the stuff out. And yeah, this is the last day with the Nissan. I'm probably going to take some pictures. Oh, you're going to be riding this style, girl. So we're inside my new car. It has panoramic sunroof. Has a lot of trunk space. I'll do a full car review right after this video, but so happy. You right, boo? She spit up, but it's okay.
Okay, you got an AC back and you turn it down. Turn it down, it's right here.
Okay. I think back here it has a charging station. Can we adjust the temperature from here?
In the back?
I don't think so.
Yeah, you should be able to. Oh, wait, well, you try to figure out from here.
Hi, Mama. Alright, y'all. I'll do a full car review in just a moment. Alright, so before it gets dark, let's go ahead and do this quick car tour. It's a 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Alright. Alright, so a few things. This is the dashboard. I'm doing this with my daughter on me. Nice. I love this. I think this is super nice. Let me close the door. Okay, good. I think this is super nice. Once you close the door, this turns on. Bless you. Bless you, boo. And then you got the cup holder. I think they said this is a wireless phone charger right in here. Cool. And then you have this. This opens up. It's pretty deep in here. Real nice. Okay. So you got this space. I'm not sure. Open this. Okay. I love the new car smell. It's so nice. Super nice. I love the car seat color. Super nice. Close this. These are the carpet, not the carpet, but like the newer things to put on the carpet, the floor mats, I meant to say. Alright, I believe this comes with heated seats. This is the back, which I'll get back there. Let's turn the car on. This is how it looks when it turns on. Turn it. And then this is what comes on, which I'll set my car on. So cool. I'm turning the AC off, but it's kind of cool. Yes, it has heated seats. You can turn the car on while I'm in the house, especially for my daughter. Like when it gets cold, I want to be able to turn on the car and turn on the heater. This is up top. Not sure what the terminology is. I do have panoramic sunroof. Let me turn that on. I'm not sure. Where do I don't know how to do that. What do I touch? Oh, right here. And this is it. Ah, okay. It turns on, and then if I touch it again, because I don't want that on. Okay, so you touch that, and if I touch this, I think it goes all the way back. Oh, it opens. Okay. Now I don't want it open, so let me go ahead and do that. I have to play around with this. And I think, but yeah. Okay. It's all right, y'all. All right. I'm getting to learn this car. Are you liking it, boo? Yeah. So this is the front, how the car looks in the front. Really nice. I absolutely love it. Yeah, you like it? Let me let you guys know, and on a little secret. I truly have never driven an SUV before. Maybe like a max of like maybe 2 or 3 times. I've never really truly drove an SUV. So this is going to be quite interesting for the first week with this car, which I'm so happy it came on a Sunday. So I have a whole week to like really test out and see how it drives. Right, boo? Yeah, so I'm like so happy with this purchase. This is like a perfect like mom car, I would say. But yeah, let me go ahead to the back. All right, so we're in the back seat now, and the sunroof is still open, I guess. But this is how it looks from the back seat. And I have her car seat already, well, her frame already installed. This is how it looks. It has USB ports here. You can't control the AC back here, which is fine because anybody gonna be back here other than my daughter. This is how it looks. Very nice. I love how it has that you can adjust the headboard or the head seat or the car seat here, if that makes sense, because we have a camera and it wasn't gonna fit on my Nissan. So yeah, and it has cup holders right here. I believe this is its seat on its own, so I can keep this on, and then I can put these 2 seats or the seat down if I wanted to. And then yeah, this is how it looks. Not sure what this is, but yeah. And this is how the trunk space looks. I already have a stroller back here. I'll show you guys, but you can control the lighting. So let me go ahead and show you guys the back. Also, another great feature I like is that I can lift this up, so I can keep it's on both sides, so it's on this side and that side. I can make sure the sun is not in my daughter's face when I'm driving with her, which is great. Oops. Okay, this is the back. A lot of space, and then you have this where you can put groceries if needed, possibly. And it comes with the tire jack, comes with a lot of goodies in here. I believe it comes with like a flashlight, like just like little tools that you'll need, like basically emergency road assistance if anything were to happen. But yeah, this is the Santa Fe. You guys can look up more features if you'd like. This is all I could like really tell you. And then there's a button up here you can press and it goes down. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm so happy that I went with the Santa Fe. I loved how the new 2024 Santa Fe's look, but it's too much of a car for me. It's a 7-seater, and I don't need a 7-seater. Just closing. Again, I am super happy with this purchase. So yeah, I'm not sure. The weather was so bad yesterday. I was supposed to get the car yesterday, but Ew, is that a dead lizard? Oh my god. The weather was so bad, and like my Christmas lights are actually discombobulated, so I had to have my husband fix them. But I'm so happy with this car. You guys seen how my Nissan looked, and it was time. I'm not really big on cosmetics, but I'm gonna make sure I take care of this car. And then I got wrap warranty, so if anything happens to the paint, I'm covered. Because it's the sun here in Florida. Well, it's the same sun anywhere, but it's harsher. It's just bad for cars in general, but I'm hoping the sun doesn't mess up the paint to where I need to go get my car painted. I'm gonna go feed my little chicken nugget, and I'll let you guys later. So whenever my husband comes home, he takes my daughter for me so I can catch up on any other like housework I need to catch up on. This time it was laundry. So what we're doing now is catching up on our shows, and while I fold my laundry, her laundry, and just being able to just catch up on things I wasn't able to catch up on when it was just me and her at home. So towards the end of the night, what I like to do is start prepping myself for the next morning, getting my clothes ready for work, putting those things aside, because when you gotta get yourself and the baby ready, you want to make sure everything is to the side. So I put like my foundation to the side, the lotion, my perfume. I also put her outfit to the side, as well as like an extra outfit, more diapers. Like I just make sure I have everything set the night prior before getting herself ready, so that way it's just a smooth transition. One thing left to do is take her a bath, take myself a bath. And tonight is my husband's night, where he sleeps downstairs with her and I sleep upstairs until we get her to the point of sleeping in her crib. I don't think we were gonna start sleep training her. She'll be 3 months this week. We were gonna start sleep training her, but I don't feel like it's worth it right now when she's gonna go through sleep regression when she hits 4 months. So my thing is, let's just wait, eat it up, so she sleeps on us. I don't want to say well, yeah, she co-sleeps, but not in the bed. So we bought a couch, so she sleeps there. Sometimes we can get her in the bassinet, other times we can't. It just all depends. But anyway, after time, I feel like I sleep better downstairs, because like when you're trying to like sleep when she sleeps, you get like a quick 2 hours, feed her, and then you get another quick 2 hours. I feel well rested when that happens, as opposed to like sleeping on a bed and getting the full 7 hours, if that makes sense. Anyway, right now I'm just folding all my clothes, making sure like I have things put to the side, because this is Christmas week, so I want to be able to have all my things sorted out, put away before the holidays, and then that following week is New Year's. I just want to try to get rid of a lot of stuff, if you know what I mean. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Hope you guys enjoyed this day with me. It wasn't really much other than me getting my new car, which I'm so happy about. This is kind of a regular day, other than again, as I said, other than getting the car. But if you guys want to see more of these spend a day with me, please let me know down in the comments. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in another video. Sometime this week I'll do a get ready with me to go to work, so that way you can kind of see like my routine with getting myself ready, getting herself ready. It can be a little tough because I end up having to let her cry it out for a little bit as I get ready, but she ends up falling back asleep. And then I take her to my mom's daycare, which is like 20 minutes away. That's it. So again, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful holiday if you guys don't see this before Christmas.